actually make money with Forex without trading Forex? That is what we are going to be talking about in this video. What's up everyone, my name is Tochi Eke. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a new visitor, kindly smash that subscription button and subscribe to my channel. Then if you are a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. Alright, so basically there are two types of ways you can make money with Forex. We have the business aspect of Forex trading and the chart aspect of Forex trading. So basically, even with the business aspect of Forex trading alone, you can make so much money that can be compared with somebody that is making money with the chart aspect of Forex trading. But you definitely need to know the chart aspect of Forex trading before you can venture into the business aspect of Forex trading. Alright, so the business aspect of Forex trading is another way you can make money with Forex without trading Forex. Forex is a business that has multiple sources of income, multiple streams of income. Alright, so there are three ways you can make money with Forex without trading Forex. Number one is what I call Forex affiliated program. So then number two is Forex education program, and number three is social media Forex program. I'm going to be explaining this to the best of my knowledge so that you will be able to understand it and also take advantage of some of those opportunities. Even your top Forex mentors actually make use of this business aspect of Forex trading to make a whole lot of money. Alright, so now the number one we have on the list is what is Forex affiliated. When we talk about Forex affiliated program, there are two types of Forex affiliated program. We have the broker affiliated program and PropFirm affiliated program, which is the recent one that actually came into existence since the creation of PropFirm. Alright, now one good thing about Forex affiliated program is that it does not work the same way your normal usual affiliate program works. Unlike if you're an affiliate with Amazon where you refer somebody, once the person buys a product, then you get a commission from the product the person bought. It does not work that way in Forex. Forex own is a kind of different. Alright, so under the Forex brokerage affiliate program, how it works is if somebody sign up to a particular broker account with your link, now broker tends to pay you when the person starts trading. Alright, which basically means if the person that sign up with your link doesn't trade, you are not going to make money. You only make money if the person trades, because that's the only way broker makes money. Alright, brokers only make money when you trade, whether you are losing or whether you are winning. Then whether you are losing or whether you are winning, if it's a good broker. Alright, because there are some brokers out there that only make money when you are losing, and that's the people that will be manipulating your trade. Alright, but when you go for a good broker, whether you are making money or whether you are losing money, they are definitely making money. So if you refer somebody to sign up with your broker account, what it means is if the person deposits 10,000 USD into his Forex accounts without trading, you are not making any money. But once the person starts trading using big lot size, using crazy lot size, whether he or she makes money or whether he or she blows his account, you are definitely making money. And it continues till everlasting. As far as say the person keeps trading, you keep making money, and they pay you based on the lot sizes. So you see how good and how profitable this can be, unlike the usual affiliate program whereby once the person you refer buys one product, they pay you for that particular product, that's all. Every other product he or she will be buying, you are not going to be paid for that. But in Forex brokerage affiliate program, as far as the person keeps depositing and keeps trading, you will be making money, you will be paid for that. And some broker also even extend their commission to the fourth generation, which basically means the person you referred that referred another person, and the person who you referred another person, you are going to be paid for that fourth generation. I hope you are able to understand what I mean by that. So now you see why most of your Forex mentors and your Forex YouTubers and your Forex celebrities always tell you to do what? To use their broker, to sign up with their broker using their link. Alright, always tell you to click in the link in the description and sign up with their broker and their base broker. Sometimes you even see them advertising for a particular broker or telling you why you should join that particular broker, and they will give you a link. Obviously that link is their link, and once you deposit and start making and start making trades and start placing trades, they are definitely going to get paid. All right, so that's it for Forex affiliated program. This is what you can actually start, whether you know how to trade or whether you do not know how to trade. Your family members, your friends, you can actually give them your link. Once they register and start depositing, start trading, then you start making money. So the number 2 which we have is what is PropFirm affiliated program. Now, PropFirm affiliated program was like the normal affiliate programs that you know, whereby you refer people to buy a product and then you will be paid. So we have different types of PropFirm with their own different affiliate commission. We have My Forex Fund. They pay 5% for referring someone, and it's only once. All right, which means if somebody sign up with your link and buys a product, you are paid 5% of any product he or she bought. All right, so another one is FTMO. I'm not too sure about FTMO, but I think FTMO pays 10% for referral program. All right, if I'm wrong, correct me in the comment section. So the next one we have is E8 funding. E8 funding actually pays 10% if the person use a discount code, but if the person doesn't use a discount code, they pay you 20%. I think, I'm not sure if they still do that. So imagine referring somebody in E8 funding to buy a $250,000 account, which I think it costs for close to $980 or even 1,000 pesos. So you will be making more than $180 referring somebody. All right, so that is another way you can start making money without doing what? Without trading Forex. So all those your friends, tell them about PropFirm, tell them how good PropFirm is, send them your referral link. Once they sign up, anytime they buy an account, then obviously you will get paid for referring them. So that is it for what? Forex affiliated program. Before we actually get to the second one, which is what? Forex education program. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly smash that subscription button, kindly smash that subscription button and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate that a lot. All right, so the next one, which is Forex education program, it simply means you organizing Forex seminars. Yeah, you don't need to be a Forex mentor before you start teaching people how to trade Forex. Teach them those ones you know and charge money for that. All right, teach them how to draw trend line, teach them how to calculate pips, teach them what is bid and ask price, what is spread, risk management, all those things. Teach them, all right, and charge money for that. You can start collecting little money like $5, $7 just to teach the basic knowledge you know regarding Forex trading, and you start making money off of that, and you can make enough money that you can even use to fund your Forex account. The real truth remains that if those people want to learn those educations on their own, they are going to burn a whole lot of data, either on Google or even on YouTube, trying to search for videos, and it might take them a very long time because they wouldn't know the one to go first. All right, or else they have the money to get a Forex mentor who might start teaching them how to trade. All right, but if you have the audience, or if you have the audience to start organizing mini Forex seminars, then start doing that and charge a little fee for that. So the third one we have on the list is social media Forex program. Yeah, social media Forex program. What do I mean by social media Forex program? Like YouTube, you tend to see that there are a whole lot of Forex YouTube channel here on YouTube community. A whole lot of people are opening Forex YouTube channel. A whole lot of people are opening Forex YouTube channel. Why are they doing that? They are doing that because of two things. Number one, YouTube is paying them. All right, YouTube pays Forex traders a whole lot of money because they are in the finance niche. And once you are in the finance niche, your RPM is going to be high because you are definitely talking about how to make money. So you will make enough money, big money on YouTube, more than somebody that is in entertainment niche or lifestyle niche or any other niche that is not on finance and tech. So, and what do you teach on YouTube? You basically come and teach what you know. Teach how to draw trend lines, teach how to draw support and resistance, how to trade, how to play stop loss and take profit, stuff like that, and you start building audience. There are a whole lot of people that actually started Forex trading, that actually started Forex YouTube channel. Immediately they came across Forex trading. Somebody like Hannah Forex, she started Forex channel to document his trading progressions. All right, and today she has over 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. YouTube will be paying too, and people will be reaching out to you for what? For sponsorship. So even if you are starting now, it doesn't stop you from opening a YouTube channel and start shooting video and start uploading. Alright, so that's all that I have for you in today's video. If this video sounds very interesting to you, do not forget to smash that subscription button, like this video, and then also join my Telegram community where I share my trading analysis, and sometimes I organize Zoom call meeting to answer some common confusing questions that you may have. And also the community is where you also meet other types of traders that you can interact with. So yeah, that will be all for this video, guys. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.